What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the AcuraHondaClassic series that I'm doing with them, dropping a video every Wednesday and being sponsored by Acura Pembroke Pines. Hope you guys are liking, and I appreciate your sub count that keeps going up. I appreciate your subscriber count. I think we're gonna get to 1,700 subscribers in less than a month. For today's video, we have a Momo Monte Carlo. I'm installing in the video. I actually installed it yesterday, so we're gonna go back to yesterday's time lapse and we're gonna end it today because it was so hot yesterday here in Miami. I was just sweating yesterday, and I don't want to record it like that. It was just, I was looking like a madman. But it's actually already installed. The Momo's already installed. The hub is already installed, and it is a quick release. So let's go back to yesterday's time lapse and we'll talk a little bit about it. Man, it's hot in Florida. So what you want to do is, once you take out that metal screw right there, you want to kind of leave it on, and then you just want to pry it. You want to hit it hard from the back and it should come loose. This one was a little hard. Obviously it's been there since '97. So yeah, let's go ahead with the installation. Go back to the time lapse. Alright guys, so I pulled out the SRS harness with the module that goes in the whole bottom of the car. It's basically down there, and we can start putting everything back on. Alright guys, so I guess this is where I catch up to you guys the next day, and I kind of want to turn around the camera and show you what it looks like just from my view, already installed. This is it here. Don't mind the kid flip-flops. Very lazy Sunday here in Miami. So I still have to put back the plastic and stuff like that because I was doing a little bit of wiring, as you can see down there, but there she is. She's already installed. I'm still dealing with the whole horn stuff because this hub didn't come with the brass part where you would hook up the Honda horn, so it's obviously not working out. There is a set of screws that Chasing J sells. You could actually even get them in that spoon blue color, so I might do that just to kind of have a little spoon theme around it. It does look very good. It looks very new. It is a quick release, but I'm holding the camera, but I don't know if I could really take it out. I could probably push it out, but with the camera in my hand it's impossible. But it kind of gives you a quick look of how good it refreshes the whole interior, and it just looks very good. Remember, you pull out the plastics, you pull out the 19mm that's in the middle, you take out the SRS module that's there, and then you just hook up your horn, hook this up, screw your bolts, screw your quick release on it. I can't even get the words today out of my mouth. So you screw the quick release on it, then you screw this on, and it just basically hooks up. Let me give you a side shot of it so you can see what it looks like. And yeah, it just looks very, very minty. Just a quick little install. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming through, subscribing to the channel. Very lazy day here in Florida, very hot. As you guys can see, I'm wearing a tank top, but I think the Momo Monte Carlo is really going to give a nice look to the interior. All I have to do is just kind of change these seats because I want to get rid of this STK seat and this stock Honda seat. But hey, this one went free, so I can't really complain. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to smash the thumbs up and keep waiting for those Acura Honda episodes. They're getting better and better and better. Remember to give AcuraHondaClassic a follow on Instagram, a follow on their YouTube channel. I'll leave both links there. I'll leave Acura Pembroke Pines link, which is the dealer. I'll leave the link for their YouTube channel, and make sure to follow them on Instagram. They got the apparels for sale, which looks amazing. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one.